Let's do an Annihilator Base, and let's use a couple of escorts. Let's see how this works. All you have to do is kill the hunters, and escorts do a great job, and you should get about 1.5 minutes of repair on each tune. I have 2 tunes, so you should get about 1.5 minutes repair on each tune. That's about it. I send out 4 escorts to each hunter. They all have dumbfire. Annihilated bases are really easy. There are 6 hunters, and then you get the gun on top of the CC, so it's a very easy base to kill. And you get almost no damage. So if you need tech for your annihilators, easy way to get tech. Just a couple of escorts. Last thing to worry about right here. That's it. Done. That's just how difficult it is. What do we get? Defensive positions and plates. Just a lot of stuff that I don't need. But enjoy. Now let me show you. Oh, I didn't send them home. Well, let's send them home. What do we get? 40, okay, 46 seconds. Yeah, you can wait 46 seconds. If you can't, you can sign off. But I'll show you. Pretty minimal damage. So when they arrive, we'll show you that literally immediate repair. So I consider it 0 damage because if it's less than 5 minutes, they get back, you repair them, you send them out again. They're on their way. Two tunes of 16. There's one back. And let's see. 3 minutes repair. 1:39. That's it. Okay. Enjoy.